Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about this nifty little jump starter and all the things that it can do and why I think you should have one of these in every car or vehicle. Now for me, I said the reason I got interested in this is because I'm sending my granddaughter off to college, and you always try to make sure that they're as prepared as can be because she's going to be over an hour away from us. And so I don't want her to have to ask for somebody to jump start her car if her battery happens to go dead because she leaves the door partially unlocked and the inside light drains the battery. She can connect this to her battery and get the car started without any help. I have gone over it with her to show her how easy it is, and I'm going to show you how easy it is, but there's a lot of other features that you can use this for. Now, I picked this up on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description if you're interested. Feel free to go take a look. So one of the things, I'm just going to kind of show you what comes with it. This is a 1500 amp 12 volt jump starter. So you get the actual pack, you get your jumper cables that attach to it, and it comes with a charging cable. This is a USB-A on one end, a USB-C on the other. There are two ports down here. One says USB in and out. To charge it, you just open it up, plug in the USB-C end of it, plug the other end of it into a USB charger and plug it in. It charges. This one came, and I've had it a couple of weeks. This one came and it probably had 75% charge. It took about 20 minutes for it to charge the rest of the way to 100%. So this is the cable you use. It doesn't come with a charging block. That's something that you'll have to provide on your own, but it's pretty handy, and it charges really quickly. On the other side is a USB port that you can use in this cable. In this case, if you had a phone that used USB-C, you could charge your phone. You could charge your laptop off of this. You can take this, like I'm going to put it in the car for her, but you could put it in the camper. You could carry one in your truck. Any place where you might need additional power, you could use this. So if the power were to go out and you need to charge your cell phone, fire this little baby up. Another feature that it has, if you're out and about and you need a light, it has a flashlight. There's a power button right here for the flashlight. I'm going to show you. Right here you can see that's just the flashlight, LED flashlight. It does have a SOS and then just another emergency lighting thing, and then press the button one more time. That turns it off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you out and I'm going to show you how you connect this to your battery so that you can use it as a jump starter. Also on the other end, you'll see it says 12 volt output. This is where you connect your jumper cables to. So we're out here and I'm going to show you how to connect this thing to your battery. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to push the power button, and you're going to see that it's got an LED showing that it's 100% charged. The next step is you're going to go to the 12 volt outlet, and you're going to pull the plug there. You're going to take this end of it and plug it directly into the battery pack. And then you come over here, and it's as simple as this. Red goes to the positive, and you connect it. And your ground goes to the negative. You're done. You go inside and you start your vehicle. That's all there is to it. Once your vehicle's started, you disconnect your terminals, take this off, and you power off the unit, and then unplug the cables. That's it. That's all there is to it. And guys, I know one of the questions that may come to your mind is that, well, you have to charge it, so how long does it charge? This thing will hold a charge up to 9 months. So, you're talking about charging it once or twice a year. Depending on how much you use it, of course, if you're using it a lot, you'll have to charge it more often. But under normal circumstances, you won't have to charge it that often, and you can feel rest assured that when you do need it and it is in your car, that it'll have enough juice to get you out of an emergency situation and keep you from having to have your vehicle towed or be dependent on someone else to help you. So guys, if y'all thought this was a good video, you liked it, it was helpful, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family. And until next time, stay safe.